Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison to highlight the key similarities and differences between Genmo AI and Descript AI, focusing on their core features, use cases and limitations. So the first thing we're going to check out, the category we're going to check out first is the primary function. When it comes to primary function, Genmo uses text to video generation model, for example Mochi1, that creates short cinematic video clips from prompts, while Descript AI uses multimedia editor with automatic transcription, text-based audio-video editing, and screen recording. When it comes to core technology, Genmo uses diffusion-based models. Open source supports prompt adherence and 30 fps motion coherence, while Descript AI uses automatic speech-to-text in above 23 languages. Transcript editing drives timeline edits and AI studio tools. When it comes to output formats, Genmo uses short high-fidelity video clips, HD coming soon, while Descript uses editable audio, video context, screen recordings, captions, overdubbed voice, and green screen video. When it comes to user interaction, Genmo is text prompt driven, can refine via Genmo charts and supports image and video input, while Descript uses WYSIWYG transcript editing, AI assistant, underload automate enhancements. When it comes to key use cases, Genmo has creative video generation, storyboarding, content prototyping, and social clips, while Descript uses podcast video editing, filler removal, studio sound cleanup, screen recording, and green screen. Now, when it comes to audience, developers, creators, filmmakers, marketing teams, educators seeking generative video outputs could use Genmo, while podcasters, content creators, marketing teams, educators, remote teams needing editing and transcription will use Descript. When it comes to pricing and access, we have free hosted playground, we're about 250 credits plus monthly allowance, open source Mochi1 weights, freemium and paid tiers like $10, and the standard is £30, actually £10 and £30 for Genmo. But when it comes to the script, we have the free tier, which is 1 hour per month. We have the paid plans that start at about, let's say, $12 to $15 per month with extra transcription, export, and studio tools. When it comes to their strength, Genmo has powerful open source model, cinematic coherent video motion, rich prompt fidelity, while Descript has seamless text-to-media editing, intuitive UX, AI tools for noise removal, green screen, and overdub. Now, when it comes to their limitations, Genmo has short clip duration, currently less than 5 seconds, about 480p. Still research phase and needs GPU for self-host. When it comes to Descript, it's dependent on internet or the cloud. Editing features may overwhelm and transcription isn't flawless. Now, when it comes to open source, it is fully open source Mochi1 under Apache 2.0 community customization for Genmo, while for Descript, proprietary cloud-based platform with collaboration support. So in summary, Genmo AI is an advanced text-to-video generator, ideal for creative storytelling and rapid prototyping of visual content. Its open-source Mochi1 model delivers realistic motion and frame-coherent video, though it is currently limited to short clips and HD is forthcoming. While Descript AI excels at media editing workflows, especially for podcasters and video creators who want to edit by editing transcript text. It is packed with AI-driven enhancements like filler removal, green screen, overdub features, and studio-grade sound tools with generous freemium and paid plans. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.